Hello my friends, today we will make a meatballs together, Mediterranean meatball. As you know, what type of meatball you like? Crispy, juicy, crusty and spicy. And I will make two different courses with this meatball. Let's get started. I have a grounded lamb, 1 kilogram, and 1 kilogram grounded beef here. And the spices are black pepper, 2 tablespoons, and red pepper here, and this is salt, and this is cumin, and I have onions here, and stale bread or breadcrumbs. But stale bread is going to be good infused inside these ingredients. Let's get started. I got the big bowl and I put all this beef and lamb here, and I put onions here. The trick of this meatball is you have to knead almost 30 minutes with your gloved hands. Don't forget. And put the stale bread or breadcrumbs here. And let's get started adding spices. Black pepper, 2 teaspoons, and cumin, and salt, and red pepper. Okay, it's time to knead patiently for 30 minutes. Then we are gonna put in the refrigerator and stay overnight, and we will grill this together, and I will make 2 different dishes. Those are Kofta, which is meatball kebab, and Pita meatball kebab, which is called Iskender kebab. And you cannot find these recipes any YouTube videos or any books. These are my mother's recipes I learned, and I'm practicing last 35-40 years. Okay, 30 minutes. It's time to put this stretch film at the top of this, and it's gonna wait overnight on the refrigerator. After kneaded 30 minutes and staying overnight on the refrigerator, we have all this mix. And right now I will make an oval shape meatballs like this. It depends on you how small you like on the grill. So this is the best you will see. It's very homogeneous. All the ingredients has been spread over, and all the chemicals has been infused, and after very high temperature it's going to be evenly cooked, and you will have juicy and very crusty meatballs. Make Pita Iskender kebab with the meatballs, and these smaller ones are going to be different dish, and these bigger ones are going to be different dish. So you will get some information today and the recipe for 2 different courses. Yes, this is the homemade dough, and I'm rolling this over, and I give the shape as a pita bread. And this bread is very important part of this dish, because you make this pita bread into smaller pieces and put the meatballs at the top. So we are in the very exciting time and the moment, and we prepare our pita bread, smaller pieces. This is a pita kofta and meatballs kebab. And right now we are going to put this smaller meatballs and cook them. And if you see, the grill should be very hot. It should be like waiting for 10 minutes. You have to hear this noise. Otherwise, it's not gonna get juicy and also crusty. And I already get the smell of paprika, black pepper, onion, and cumin. If you see, they are like the popcorn. They are getting flipping and bigger. So wait for a couple of minutes. Don't rush to flip them the other side, and we should be cooking. You will see the very brown color and sizzling, crusty surface of the meatballs. 3 minutes. You will see this color in each meatball, even in the smaller ones. You see, they are not squeezed. They are getting swelling and getting all the juice inside it, and the other layer is getting crusty. It's the beauty of getting the meatballs mixed way overnight, and you will obtain this mix of the meatball. And also grilling lamb and veal or beef, grounded beef together. These are the tricks. Pita pieces homemade, and put the smaller meatballs at the top. First dish is Kofta Kebab wrap. We have a tortilla here. We weigh it here out of it and put bigger meatballs inside it, if you see. And we have a mix of tomato, cucumber, onion here, and you put together like this, and after that you can wrap it together all the way, or lavash in Middle East. You can do it like this. Very important, tomato paste should be boiled. Depends on how much you like tomatoes. And so butter. If you want, you can put yogurt or sour cream on the side. Makes a special taste for you. Soften the appetite and make it. Okay, and we have two dishes. One of them is tortilla or lavash bread wrapped, and the other one is pita, meatball kebab.